Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Kiki's gluten-free Chicago-style deep dish pizza with Italian sausage. So we've got everything that we need assembled right here. We've got, of course, our pizza, a microwave-safe plate, some foil to cover it with. You're also going to need some additional foil to go underneath the rack that the pizza is on. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my normal pizza pan and just like put that underneath the rack. And then we're also going to need a food thermometer to make sure that everything is done. So first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to between 375 and 400 degrees. Now that's very vague. They say to just use your own knowledge of your oven. So I'm just gonna preheat mine to 400. So after that, we just need to open up our box and we need to remove our pizza from all of the wrapping. Now that we've got our wrapping off, we're just gonna go ahead and place this on our microwave safe plate. Now we're gonna put this into the microwave for between 3 and 6 minutes. Again, they're very vague on that. They just say to make sure that the cheese around the outer edge is just starting to bubble and not being overcooked. So I'm just gonna set mine for 6 minutes, and then after the 3 minutes, I'm just gonna check it every 30 seconds or so, and I'll come back and let you know exactly how long mine took. Okay guys, it has been 4.5 minutes in my microwave, and just right here on this edge, the cheese was definitely bubbling, also a little bit here. The rest of it isn't really, but I don't want to overcook it like they say. So what I'm going to do is cover the top of this with some foil, just like that. Now I'm just going to take this and push it off of the plate directly onto my oven rack, and then again put my pizza pan underneath of that rack to catch anything that might drip over the edges. Now they want you to bake this for between 25 and 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the center is hot. They don't give you a direct temperature on that, but typically frozen items, they do say to cook until it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the center, so that's what I'm going to be looking for, and I'll come back and tell you exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Alright guys, it has been 40 minutes and our pizza finally seems to be done. I went ahead and took the foil that was on top and just put it on my pizza pan so that I could transfer it onto here. But this is what we've got. Now, I feel like around the 30-minute mark, I still had spots that were very, very cold. So that's why it had to stay in a little bit longer. But now it seems like uniformly throughout, it has been cooked all the way through and warmed up. So this is what we've got. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.